welcome to the Wolfpack Automotive channel. So this build is a specific build for me because I have a daily 1998 S10 single cab short bed, just like this truck here. So this will be nicknamed the Cobra Killer. I bought this truck an hour away from my house and it cost me 300 bucks to pick it up. So it was originally a 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual pickup truck, and it had shot one of the connecting rods out of the block itself. So the guy was just trying to get rid of it. Everything else was kind of savable on the truck. The bed came off another pickup that he was telling me about, that his buddy was gonna do an airbag 4-link suspension on it. So that's why the current bed on it is already hacked up, which works out in my favor for the long run. But as of right now, it is completely stripped like you saw in the pictures. It is going to be a 5.3 LS base block out of a 2002 Tahoe that I pulled back in 2017. I've had this truck since June of 2019, and I have primarily the majority of the engine parts besides the pistons, the camshaft bearings, main bearings, and connecting rod bearings. Besides that, I also need the head studs, and I'm pretty much set to go, and I think I might go main studs too as well. But a lot of work that needs to be done to this thing. On the video, I don't know if you guys really understood. What I did is I swapped from the brake booster to a hydro booster out of a 2006 Silverado. It matched up pretty decently. There was only one hole that I needed to drill through the firewall to get it to fit properly, and I made a template out of cardboard and connected it that way. But so far I have some parts that are on their way. There will be a package coming tomorrow, and then I have two primarily big items that are back ordered right now that I'm extremely anticipating the arrival of those whenever they get here. Probably will be 2 weeks out, that I heard last time I talked to Jegs. But I bought a 1976 Ford F-150 9-inch that you saw in the pictures here. It was originally 60 inches wide in length, and I chopped it down to 40 inches wide in length just because I wanted a narrow look in the rear, because I'm going to be narrowing the frame rails, and it will be a 4-link setup. So I'm projected to have this truck around 600 naturally aspirated, and then with a boosted application I should be around 850. I'm hoping my math is correct. I've been doing a lot of research on this for the past 3-4 years now. I wanted to do this with my daily, but instead of doing that with my daily, I found this truck for 300 bucks and just decided to completely gut it and do it that way. If you guys are wondering how I fiberglassed the dash in this thing, there's a video that I made on this on the channel already, but you can't really see it very well without a flashlight. But it's completely gutted in the interior, except the dash is just mocked up currently right now to where it will sit. So I'll be showing more progress on the truck in the upcoming future, the unboxing videos. I also have a center console out of, I think it was like an 01 Blazer. It's one of the automatic consoles that I took from the salvage yard, and I'm going to custom fit it to make it work with the T56 6-speed manual. A lot of people are doing automatics, power glides, or the 4L80E or the 6L80E, but I prefer the feeling of a manual. I know it's a little bit slower, but that's just how I want to do things and how I'm going to do things. I don't think I'll be switching over to an automatic because it's too much to mess with, and it's just easier in a way just to keep it a manual truck. There will be a roll cage in this truck. There will be a lot of exciting things going on. There'll be a lot of fabrication in some aspects of things, which will be new to me in a way. Body work, I'm not too worried about. I'll leave the body how it is because it is pretty straight for the most part. There's only one dent on the rear roll pan and the tailgate, but that's pretty much it for dents. It has the clear coat fading, which it is 22 years old, so it's gonna happen. But overall, I'm excited with the project, and I hope you guys will be just as excited for it as I am. I know I talk a lot, but I reached out to 34 different companies for a sponsorship opportunity. I did not get any of those. I got 2 partial sponsorships, one from Autometer and one from Mishimoto. So I appreciate the work that I'm going to do with them. But besides that, I'll probably do more local companies to see what I can do for tires and quick performance type things, something that I might need, like a belt or whatnot. But I will not be running AC in this truck. It will be street legal, and it will be a drag truck in a sense. It may not look it from the outside, but on the inside it'll have all the goods that will be needed. It'll be a slow build, but it will be done properly. I want to make this as safe as possible because it'll be my life on the line when I drive it, and so on and so forth. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the process leading up to this, and I'd like to introduce you to the Cobra Killer S10. So stay tuned for more upcoming videos, probably more quality content as I get this thing moved into a better space and start working on it some more and pulling it apart little by little, start piecing it together. I got the tubs for the rear underneath the truck right now, not put together yet, but there's a lot of things in the works, and I'm excited to show you guys this thing finally, and we'll get this going here shortly. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys later. See you.